Hey everybody, Polo Tech here. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fix loose battery terminal connections. Now, as you can see right here, I don't know if you can see it, I'll zoom in here in a second, but I can just pull this one off and I have got this bolt here cranked down as tight as it can go, and yet it still slides right off due to corrosion of the connector here. So, my negative side is completely tight, but the positive side tends to corrode a little bit. I like to put on dielectric grease onto there, and it's supposed to keep the connection terminals like from corroding or whatever. But this is a 2006 Toyota Highlander, and I just started doing that a few years ago, trying to make it last longer. What I'm going to show you are these battery post shims. They're just a little lead sleeve that slides over top of the post, and then you put the connector on it and then you tighten that down. So anyways, let's get down to it. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is take my battery terminal connection. As you can see, I can pull it right off, and it's tight. It's as tight as I can crank it down here. So I'm going to go ahead and loosen this. And in this particular instance on a Toyota Highlander, it's a 10mm wrench or socket. So I am just loosening this down here to get it a little wider. Now I'm going to slide it off. And I'm going to go ahead and pop open my package here. Throw it down on top of it like that. I'm going to go ahead and squirt on a little bit more dielectric grease here just to keep it from corroding. So I got that nice and covered there now. And then I'm going to take the battery terminal connector here and slide it over top of it. I may have to pry it open a little bit because it is a little wider. Yep. So I'm going to need to open this up quite a bit farther. So I grabbed a flathead screwdriver here, and I'm just going to pry this connector open a little bit. See if I can get it in there and split it apart some. All right, so there we go. Now it's on there. Maybe grab it down low. There we go. So I just gotta squeeze it enough together here to hopefully catch a thread. All right, feels like I might have caught a thread now. And tighten it down. All right. So there we have it. If you guys found this video useful, please hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button and check out my other videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.